Hey guys, Vanix here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you an issue where Ostrich AI Toolkit doesn't work, specifically on Windows and RTX 50 series graphic cards. If 40 series graphic card users are as well facing the same issue, you can also try this method if it works for you. Before, whenever I press new job and just create job and start the job, like let's create, and now if I just press start, so the thing was that job was actually not starting, even not deleting, right? So what happens is this Ostrich AI Toolkit is the UI is based on Node.js, so it is the platform which mostly people who use Anaconda use it. This is where you download the toolkit. But the thing is that these instructions specifically for Windows are little outdated, because if you're using the CU128 or the CUDA 12.8, then the 12.6 won't work for you if you don't have it. Also the Torch, which is 2.7, so it might not work for some people because some are using 2.8. To fix this issue, I'll show you a quick method to get everything running. And the major issue was the job never starts on your machine. So how to do that? Go on to this anaconda.com download. I'll provide a link in the description. Click get started, and then once you are login, and then you can choose the package here. So mini Conda if you want, but I prefer the Anaconda distribution. So select this one and just click on that, and once you click on that, it will automatically start downloads. Just download and install Anaconda and you're good to go. What I'll do is I'll create a new folder here so you will understand how to do step by step. I'll type here Ostrich and I'm gonna crow here. You just click on this location tab and press CMD. That's the easiest way to do that. Otherwise, if you're using any other like PowerShell, so let me show you PowerShell. What you have to do is type CD, copy the location, paste that here, so it will go to C Ostrich. Now the thing is that go at the top of the repo, click on this code and copy it, type git clone and then paste this. So it will just clone this repo as it is. So if it's clone, I'll just press CLS, which clears the screen. Now what you do is CD AI-Toolkit. So I'm not sure what is the folder name. Let me see again. Okay, it's AI-Toolkit. Just copy this CD and then press it CLS. We're gonna hop into the toolkit. If you're using older graphic card than 50 series, then this will work. I think the when command will work. But for me particularly, whenever I tried this, it was not working and I was so frustrated that I couldn't train a LoRa on my PC. So yeah, now as we are on this terminal, what you can do is that type this exact command conda create n, and then you can give it whatever you name. And if you're using Python 3.12, you can change that. If you're using Python 3.9, then press 3.9, but I'm using the 12 one. And you can just name the venv or the conda environment anything. So I'll write here AI Toolkit Ostrich. Okay, I forgot to tell you something important, guys. After you have installed Anaconda, search your Anaconda navigator. Just find PowerShell prompt is what we are looking for. You will see an install option here. Click on that, and also the cmd.exe prompt, and you'll find install option here. Install those both and you're now set up. Now I'll just press enter. So it will just create that package. So once that is done, you just press CLS. Okay, so I just type here Conda environment list. So I already created one. This is our new one. So what I'll do is copy that, call Conda activate, and then press okay. So if it's still not working, then I'll just press Conda activate, and so if this command doesn't work, then try just Conda activate AI Ostrich toolkit. So that now once your environment is activated here, if you don't see this like in brackets, then maybe you can try that again because this should be activated. So going on to the pytorch.org, here you will find the package you want. Here it says Linux and Windows, get any of the CUDA which is supported. So here it says Torch 2.9, but I want 2.8. So I'll scroll down. So this is the 2.8, you can see. I'll just get one of these because that's what I have, and this is the one I want. So it is 12.8. So I'll just copy this, but the problem is that here you have to change the 126 to 128. So I'll just copy that or get the 128 directly from here. So once you have copied that, just paste that here and then hit enter. Okay, so here we have done everything. We got everything installed in the Conda environment. Type here pip install r and then the requirements.txt. Let me open it for you so you understand that. So I'll just go to Ostrich AI Toolkit where I got it, and now here we have the requirements. Just rename that, copy it, and then paste it here. Now once you have done that, it will automatically just install every dependencies which are required by the Ostrich AI Toolkit. So there is a permission error here. Now one thing we can do is that it is not running in PowerShell with administrator. Type here PowerShell and right click on that, click run as administrator. Now once it is in administrator mode, then go to cd and then go here. Once you are in that root, just type here again Conda activate or stress. Okay, once you have done that, now let it run. This time it must work because we are in administrator mode. Just a bit of time and then we are all settled down. Okay, so we just installed everything. Now one thing you need to do is go to cd UI. So it will jump to the UI one. So once it's in there, just type here npm. Got to type here run. So once it does this, so it will just do its magic. If you get this issue, see here, now this loops continues infinite times. So that is like error in use. So what you do, press Control C and press Y. So and press CLS. So to fix that issue is correctly click Task Manager and type here node. See that I have two Node.js already running, so these are the same one. Just disconnect, like end them. So you can see now it's fixed. Once I copy this and just press it, you can see now we are in here. Also it will just work. After creating new job and after creating job, this will definitely get started. Please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in another video, and I'll also share some tips how to train your first LoRa.